my father-in-law made the mistake of telling me that I could use his unused golf cart for ag stuff, which he may regret. This went a lot better than I thought. All I did was put these angle brackets on the back, and it just happened to be at a really good width to fit the DeWalt stuff with this angle iron, which is very strong. Horrible welding job. And then it opens up just like that because I did the height, so it opens up just perfectly. It shouldn't be too heavy with tools inside. I got this plasticky bumper off. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna put a 2-inch hitch on the back of this, and then put this right here for just ag type stuff, moving things around. And then I'm thinking on the front end side, I'll do the same thing, because it looks like under this plastic bumper, yeah, that's steel under there too, so that should work well. So I'll have to get 2 hitches. Did you find the problem? Can you try it there? Does it fit? Push it in, right there. Yeah, nice and tight. Got these weld-on receiver tubes that should be fine. It's just a golf cart. So my theory is that the 6-inch one, you can see I cut out a piece of plastic from the back of this, but this should weld on right there. And then I'll put this Harbor Freight basket on that. Go. 2-inch receiver on the front bumper. I pulled the plastic piece off and it was just plain steel, so that's pretty easy. Came out really well, I think. Right there. And then hit it once underneath. Not as cool, and I didn't weld it back here just because it doesn't need to be. You know, it's not a 1-ton truck, and then I think that's aluminum. That wouldn't work anyway. On the back side, I tried to measure this cart, so I've got the DeWalt ToughSystem, which is somewhere around, I think it's about 2 feet wide, where I made these brackets earlier. And I took weld nuts and I put them on the top because I've got a whole bunch of yard tools and stuff that has the little slot on the back, which goes in like that. There you go. So instead of buying a $200 chainsaw scabbard, you can just put a weld nut on and a bolt, and it works just as well. Well, I think so. I guess it'll swing a little bit, but that's not a big deal. And then I wanted some hooks or something, so I put more weld nuts on the top. We'll see how that goes too. There you go. And then with the 2-inch receiver on the back side, I can just slide this whole tray, so all the steel here, I can just pull it off in one piece, I think, put it on some cinder blocks, I guess, and then use the golf cart like normal.